We have a First Alert Weather Day Saturday and Sunday for potential severe weather. In fact, severe weather likely. We're looking at the possibility of 60 to 80 mile-an-hour winds, strong long track tornadoes. That's tornadoes that are EF2 or stronger, and large hail up to 1 inch in diameter, if not larger. So this is going to be a significant severe weather event as we head towards the weekend. And that is why we are now under a level 4 threat of severe weather. On a scale of 1 to 5, it's a 4. That is how high the tornado threat is for this weekend, especially for our westernmost counties in West Georgia, right along the Alabama border, extending all the way into South Fulton County. We will wake up Saturday morning to some rain and storms, mainly north and west of Atlanta. And while a few of these could see some strong gusty winds and even some large hail, not expecting any tornadoes with those storms we'll see Saturday morning. We will dry out Saturday afternoon, but then as we head into the evening after sunset, I recommend everybody is home by about 8 or 9 o'clock Saturday. That is because after 8 p.m. we'll see those storms roll in, expecting them over the metro area between about midnight and 4 a.m. and then moving into East Georgia as we head into the 6 o'clock hour. We will dry out the rest of the day Sunday, but this storm system will pack a punch, including the possibility of tornadoes, which is why it's so important you have multiple ways to receive warnings. These evening overnight systems can be the deadliest because many people are already asleep and unaware that a tornado warning has been issued. Therefore, they're not getting into their safe space. You need a way to get those warnings. So stay with the First Alert team. Download the free First Alert Weather app. We'll be with you around the clock this weekend, keeping you and your family safe.